Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. I'm so excited today guys. Today what we are making is plantain pancakes. Okay, it's spicy, it's delicious. This is a staple in Ghana. It's kind of a traditional thing in Ghana that we do, and it's called Tatale in Ghana. Okay, it's very nice and it's quite easy to do. You know, I like easy recipes. Okay, so what I have here, I have some cloves, some black pepper, and this is called grain of selim. Okay, and this is called calabash nutmeg. If you don't have this, you can still use these ones as well. So I'm going to crush these. Okay, so you are welcome. If you are new here, you are welcome. You can check my channel, as you know that I do lovely recipes that you would like, and sometimes I put some lovely Ghanaian recipes in there just to for you to try them. You have to try this recipe because it is delicious. I'll tell you, so good, sweet and it's spicy. All right, if you don't like the spice, you can just omit some of the pepper that is in it. But you have to try it. It's so good. So guys, that is done nicely. I'll set this aside, and that is my grinding pot. Okay, you know that I use this. I've used that for some recipes on my channel. So what I'm going to do, I have some onions here, some scotch bonnet, and some ginger. I'll put the measurement down below for you. Okay, so I'll try and grind these. Okay, we add this to the plantain. So just spice it nicely. I tell you, you are going to love this. You can use a blender for this if you don't have it, so it's quite easy. Just use a blender. You can just cut everything into a blender and just blend it. It's so easy, but I love using this. That's why I'm using this one. Okay, I add my ginger. Okay, let's add our scotch bonnet. This is optional, guys, so but it makes it taste delicious anyway. So if you can handle some spice, just add it to it, or you can take off the seeds if you want it to just mild. So guys, let's add our spices, dried ones. And let me add a little bit of salt. Not a lot of salt, okay? It smells really good. So just blend the spices together nicely. So really, this is our spice blend. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to add the plantain. So guys, this is our plantain, and this is overripe plantain. Okay, so in case you buy any sweet plantain and it's really overripe and you don't know what to do with it, you can use it for this recipe. Okay, so you have to use overripe plantain. It's much more sweeter and soft. Okay, you can see that it's really overripe. It's really soft. Okay, just cut them onto. I'm just going to mash it. So, and if you can't do it this way, you can just put them in the blender and it will blend nicely because it's soaked. Okay, so this is as easy as it is. As you can see, it's really soft. So as you can see here, it's really nicely done. So guys, this is our pancake mixture. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some corn flour. Okay, I'll put the measurement down below just to thicken it. You can add any flour that you prefer, a plain flour, but I want it to be gluten-free, so that's why I'm using corn flour. Smells so good. Yeah, so it's so easy. So that is our pancake mixture. So we are going to fry it. So guys, you have a pan on medium heat. What I'm using here is palm oil. Okay, so I put a bit of palm oil into the pan. Right guys, our pan is hot, so I'm going to add a pancake. Let's try and shape it. Right guys, so let's turn our pancake. Look at that. So guys, our pancake is ready, so I'm taking it off. Always use a medium heat, okay, so that it will cook nicely. So guys, this is our plantain pancakes. Okay, it's delicious, it's gluten-free, so you can try this recipe. Okay, it's so good. I can't tell you enough. All right, so you have to try this recipe. You can have these pancakes, okay, this plantain pancakes. You can have it with beans. In Ghana we normally have it with beans, okay, and I've done a bean stew, a very quick bean stew with baked beans. You can use that for this pancakes, and it tastes delicious. Okay, so you have to try that. Look at that recipe and then use it, and it's very quick, and you can use it for this pancake. Okay, or you can have it with some peanuts or anything. Okay, it's very delicious, so you can just eat it like that. It's delicious, so try it and you love it. So if you like this recipe, do please give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Please put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God bless you. Bye.